How to set up your Google Pixel Watch. To start setting up, your phone should be unlocked and Bluetooth and location services turned on. Make sure you have a Google account. Go to accounts.google.com to set one up. Also, make sure your phone is connected to your Wi-Fi network. Open Settings on your phone and check your Wi-Fi connection. Press and hold the crown for 3 seconds to turn on your watch. Select your language. Now you'll continue setup on your phone. Download the Google Pixel Watch app from the Google Play Store. The app is needed to connect your watch to your phone. You'll use the app to control some features and customize your watch the way you want. Confirm the PIN code. Then follow the steps in the app to connect your watch to your phone and sign into your Google account. To complete the setup, tap Start using your watch, or to further personalize your watch, tap Set up More. If you choose Set up More, the app will walk you through setting up Fitbit, Gemini, and other apps you can use on your watch. If you have a Google Pixel Watch with 4G LTE, the app will guide you through LTE setup as well. To keep your watch secure, set a screen lock pin or pattern. Then, to complete setting up your watch, follow the steps in the app. For setup and pairing support, visit g.co/pixelwatch/setup for more information. Google Pixel Watch is designed to swap bands easily and securely. To attach a band, place the watch face side down. Use the end of the band to press the band secure button and slide it into place. Make sure the band button clicks in the correct position to prevent your watch from falling off. Gently pull on the band to make sure it's secure. To remove the band, press the band secure button, then slide the band over the button. Follow the same steps on the other side of your watch to attach or remove a band. For a more comfortable fit, attach the buckle part of the watch band to the top of the watch and the other part to the bottom. For Pixel Watch 4, use the Google Pixel Watch Quick Charge dock included with your watch to charge it. Plug the end of the charging cable into a USB-C power adapter, not included. Then plug it into your wall outlet. Place the watch crown side up on the charging base. The watch will snap into place magnetically. It doesn't matter which way the cable is facing. Your Google Pixel Watch can go all day. To learn more, visit the Google Pixel Watch Help Center.